So I've had the Pixel 3 XL for about 3 weeks now. I love the look of it. It's definitely faster, better battery life, overall just a great upgrade from my original Pixel phone. One thing I just couldn't get over was that notch. Some apps like YouTube Studio here just didn't know how to handle it and just cut things off. And then there's YouTube, which has these uneven black bars, which is just unsettling to watch. But luckily this is Android, and if you don't like something, you can usually fix it with software. So first, we're going to go into Settings, click System, then About Phone. Then we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom and click on Build Number until you become a developer. Then we're going to click on Developer Options. Then we're going to scroll down a little bit until we get to Display Cutout and tap Hide. This will just hide the notch at the top of the phone. Pretty self-explanatory. There's also an option to put in a corner cutout if you're feeling asymmetrical, or a double cutout if you're feeling more symmetrical. But I'm going to stick with the hide option. So now if we go back into YouTube and launch a video, we can see that those black bars are even now and it just looks way better. Back in YouTube Studio as well, we can see that we're no longer losing part of the screen to the dreaded notch. Personally, I think this is way better looking than with the notch. Your notifications just look a lot better, you don't have to worry about any apps getting cut off, and overall just a cleaner look in my opinion. So there you go, that is how to fix the notch on your Pixel 3 XL. If you like this video, definitely make sure to hit that thumbs up button below and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.